All right, I am going to attempt to show you how to make a movie if you're reading a picture book and you want you on one side and a picture from the book on the other. I've done some videos like that. So before you do anything, you're going to need to take a video of yourself on your phone of you reading a story straight through. And then after you're done reading the story, you're going to want to take a picture of every page in the book. Then you're going to go to iMovie and open it up. The first step is to hit that plus sign, and you're going to click Movie. And the first thing you're going to want to do is press the video where it has you reading. So you can see I have the video of me reading. I'm reading Todd's TV today. So you're going to click that, and you're going to click Create Movie. Now, this is a little bit difficult for me because when I'm making a recording, I cannot hear this video. You would be able to press that little play button and hear the movie. You might actually be able to hear this, but I cannot because I am making a screen recording. So what you're going to do is, for me, the easiest way that I found to do this is to make page breaks so I know like each time I want to put a new picture in. So for example, I'm going to just pretend I'm going to right there make a page break. So I pressed that button, and by the way, I'm sliding with my finger on the pictures below. It says split. I'm going to click split, and I just made a break. But if you were to watch it straight, you're not ever going to see that split in real life. It's just kind of like a reminder on where you're going to put new things. Okay, so I'm going to start the book. It looks like around here. So I'm going to split it right there. Now, it looks like I'm reading that first page. And again, you can hear this because you're going to be able to play it. And it looks like I'm about to read that second page there, so I'm going to split. And then I'm reading the second page. I turn it. I'm going to split it again for the next page. And so you're kind of going to be able to do this through the whole page. And now I'm going to show you how you would add the pictures to that part. So I started out talking, and then I'm going to show the title of the book right about here in the video. So I'm going to click, that square right there that I just highlighted. And what I want to do is I want to add a picture. So I'm going to hit the plus button, and then I'm going to go into Photos and All. And now I can see the pages. Now it goes a little bit backwards because these are the photos and not the video. So there is my cover for Todd's TV. I'm going to press on it. And those 3 dots is what you want to use. So you're going to click that 3 dots, and you have all these awesome options. And for teachers who are watching this, you can do a lot with this too. But for the read-alouds, what I use is the split screen. So I'm going to click the split screen, and you're going to be able to see see how that comes up there. Now, it goes a little long, so I'm just going to press and drag so it's about that same distance of that screen. This just makes it go faster to me. Now, when I read, the book is on my right, so I don't like the picture on the right, but I want the picture of the book on my right. I want the picture of the book on my left, like I'm reading it. So the way I do that is on the right, you're going to see that little magnifying glass with the plus. The right below there, that middle one, that's going to put it in different locations. Now, as you can see, when I took the picture, I don't like it. It's kind of getting cut off. So I'm going to hit that plus sign at the very top by where my face is. And now I can move this page around. If I want to pinch it to make it go in or go out, I have that option. So now, if you were to watch this, like say, and I don't know, again, I don't know if you can hear this because I'm making a screenshot, but if you look at the top, that's how that goes. So now I want to add that second page in. And I'm going to click on that box. I'm going to hit the plus sign. I'm going to pick the first page in the box, which was right next to my cover. The 3 little dots. Split screen. And I'm going to click it and drag it so it's about that size. And then again, I want to move it to the side, so I'm going to hit that middle button. And you don't really have to. That's just me. I think this one looks okay, but if I wanted to fix it, I would hit the pinch to zoom. I could zoom in, I guess, a little bit more there. Now I'm going to go to that third page. Again, plus. Pick your picture, the 3 dots. Split screen. This one I want to make it a little longer, it looks like. And I'm just going to move them to the right side. I'm going to hit the plus button so that I can get it how I want it. And so you can see it, once you get the hang of it, once you start in on it, it's going to go pretty quickly. The thing that takes the longest to me is watching the video back and seeing when you turn the pages and when you want your new pages. But if you put those split screens in, it goes a lot faster from there. So like if you can see, like here I am on the first page, then I start reading the second page, and they can start seeing it a little bit up close that way. So you would go through the whole story and do that. I will probably do that now. Obviously, there's a learning curve. So when you first do this, it's going to take a little bit, probably more time. But as you get more comfortable with it, you're going to find that you can do it pretty quickly, as with anything. If you've got questions, let me know. Have a great day. I think I'm done with this.